When both the conditions are true, do this. When both the conditions are false, do this. When like this, when you want that kind of requirement, when I have that kind of requirement, what I need to do? So what we need to do is, when you have a requirement like this, so we need to go and use logical operators. When any one of the condition is true, if you want to show something, you need to go with double pipe. Double pipe is nothing but or operator, or logical function or operator. So if both the conditions are true, double ampersand, and so we will discuss it, guys. We will discuss extensively. For now, what is our requirement is, I want to increment the salary for, so previously in the EMP table I incremented the salary for only 10th department employees. I want to increment the salary for 10th departments as well as 20th department employees also. When I want to increment the salary for both 10th department and 20th department, when department number equal to 10 or when department number equal to 20, I need to increment the salary, guys. I need to increment the salary. Click on new column, click on new column, and so I want to increment the salary for revised salary for both 10th department as well as 20th department, both 10th and 20th. So now again you need to write the condition like this. If department number equal to 10, department number equal to 10, I want to increment the salary by 1000. So else I need to show same salary. When you go like this, it will increment the salary for only 10th department. It will not increment the salary for other departments. It will increment the salary for only 10th department. If you want to increment the salary for other departments, how can I increment it? So EMP department number equal 10 or double pipe, or department number equal to 20. You don't bother anything here what we are writing. You will understand every formula what I am writing here. This time whether department number equal 10 or department number equal 20, it will increment the salary by 1000. So if you go and see 10th department, it got incremented the salaries. 20th department, it got incremented the salaries. Other than 10 and 20, you'll see the same salaries. So when either one of the condition is true, when you want to do something, you need to use a double pipe, guys. Double pipe or operator. And when both the conditions are true, if you want to do something, you need to use double ampersand. We'll discuss practically. So when you want to check multiple OR conditions, there are 5-6 OR conditions. Instead of using multiple pipes, I can use in operator, guys. Instead of using multiple pipes, when you want to check multiple OR conditions, we can just go and use in operators. Every operator we will be using while writing the formulas in the coming classes. For now, just understand these are the different operators we have, and I given for each category of operators one example. Like this, while deriving something, we will utilize the operators. Without the operators also, you cannot achieve something. When sometimes we cannot achieve the requirement what we have. Someone is asking, I want to increment the salary for 10th department different values and 20th department different values. You want to write the formula in such a way. For 10th department you are incrementing by 1000, or for 20th department I want to increment by 2000. For 20th department, when you want to increment by 2000, this formula will not work. In that case, click on new column. So I'll write rsal1. So I want to write for 10th department, if department number equal to 10, I want to increment the salary by 1000. For 20th department employees, I want to increment the salary by 2000. So when I want to increment 20th department, you will not understand what I'm writing here. Might be you will understand this in the coming classes. So when department number equal 20, I want to increment the salary by 2000 here. Else I need to show the same salary. This is the formula which you need to write, guys. So what it will do is, if department number is coming as 10, it will increment the salary by 1000. So if department number is not 10, if it is other than 10, it will check it. If department number is 20, it will increment the salary by 2000. If it is not 10, if it is not 20, it will show the same salary. When you execute this form, it will increment for each department different values. If you look at this 10th department was incremented by 2000. 3000 plus 2000 equal to 5000. For all other departments, if I need to know nested if, we call it as if within a if. So we can even write the same condition with less code. We will see how to write the formulas. Any questions about the operators? Any questions about operators?
Exponentation.
One column to the power of another column. One column to the power of another column. So take an example. I want department to the power of 2. I want 10 square, 20 square, something like this. You can click on new column, department. You can use department number column to the power. Exponent, what you are trying to ask?
Exponent means what?
Power.
Okay, so it means square root means. Okay.
Square root is different. Power, one column to the power of another column. Power. Square root is different, right?
Okay, fine.
Power.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Do we have any operator to find substring or index or something?
See, functions, we have functions, text functions.
Okay, so there we can find the substring or index or something, right?
Right. You can find the functions.
Okay.
Fine, guys. Now, let's go and discuss about some text functions. What are the text functions we have? Let's start discussing about it. Text functions. So we are done with discussing about the operators. Yes?
We will discuss in detail about operators in further.
Sorry?
Coming classes.
What is that?
We will discuss operators in further in coming classes in detail.
Yeah, we will discuss it. If you have any questions, clarify your questions. We'll discuss it. So when I go and write the formulas everywhere, so when I go and write the formulas here, I'll use equal to, greater than, all other operators, or pipe operator, double pipe, in operator, and so every operator we will use it. Every operator, somehow when I'm writing the formulas, we'll use it. If you have any questions, you can clarify now itself.